Hey love bugs, before we get into today's video, I want to say there will be a giveaway sponsored by Jord. And Jord is a watch company, and they are going to be giving away $100 for whoever wins the giveaway. You'll get $100 off of one of these watches. And right now I'm just showing you guys this watch. This watch that I received can be used for either men or women. My husband, I gifted him this watch, and I was really excited to gift it to him, and he loves the watch. The company has some really nice watches. So if you do win this giveaway, you will get $100 off of a Jord watch. So I will have all the details, all of the information down below in the description box below. So I would definitely recommend you guys checking it out. And right now I'm just showing you what the watch looked like, and I'm also going to be showing you guys what it looks like on my husband's arm. This is the watch straight out of the packaging. It is really nice. And I think if I'm not mistaken, you get to pick the watch that you want to use for $100 off. So this is the watch that he picked, and it is really nice. And I'm going to just show you guys how it opens. So yeah, if you're interested in this giveaway, all the information will be listed down below. Hey y'all, the first thing I'm going to be doing is showing you guys that I had on my Tatcha face mask that came in my BoxyCharm. This is really good. This is a really good mask for dry skin, and as you guys know, I have super duper dry skin, and I love this mask, honey. I ain't gonna lie to you though, your girl can't afford it without it coming in my BoxyCharm. So yeah, won't be getting it, but it's good. Okay, I already did my brows. I did them off camera, and I'm gonna be going into my Violet Voss palette that also came in one of my BoxyCharm. It came in my BoxyLuxe. I love this palette. It is awesome, and I'm going to be using the shade Transition as my transition color. Okay, and next I'm going to be going into the shade, I don't even freaking know, I think it's Teddy. More than likely it's Teddy. I'm going to be going in the shade Teddy because I couldn't see it, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease. And I know y'all like, girl, okay, not these colors again. Yes, I love these colors. Like, I can never go wrong with these colors, okay? Never. Okay, next I'm going to be using my Morphe, I don't know the name of the palette. I'll try to remember to put it down below, but I'm going to just be using a brown color outside of that palette just to darken that outer V. And now I'm going to be going in my, what is this called? Tarte Shape Tape to cut my crease. As you guys, some of you guys know, I am not a pro at this. Don't take any tips and tricks and all of that crap from me, because I am not the one. I am not the one, y'all. She is not a makeup artist. But anyways, or even a beauty guru, y'all. I suck at all this crap. But I think I did pretty good with this. I was really excited about the outcome, although I was really doubting myself at this point right here. Like, I always doubt myself when it comes to the cut crease. Like, honey, I be struggling. But she did it. I wasn't I don't know. I liked the eye look once it was completed, but in the process, y'all, I was really worried, okay? Y'all, she was worried. So anyways, I'm just gonna be cutting that crease, trying to make it look decent. Really was trying to perfect it, but it's really hard when you got two different eyes, okay? I have two different eyes. You guys act like I was tripping when I was talking about my big eye and my little eye, but can't you see it? Can't you see the big eye and the little eye? It's hard. So yeah, I'm just adding some more of that dark brown color to the outsides. And now I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Magic palette. And I'm going to be going into that pretty green, emerald type green, I would say. And I'm going to just be applying that in the middle. The center. I don't know. The outer of the cut crease. I don't know, child. Y'all see where I'm putting it. That's where I'm going to be applying that color. And I'm just packing that color on. And if you guys do not own a Juvia's Place palette, copy one, y'all. The colors, as you guys can see, like, oh my God. Their colors are freaking phenomenal. They're phenomenal. Okay, now I'm going to my BH Cosmetics 88 Shimmer palette, y'all. This palette I've had for so long. I want to say this is like my first eyeshadow palette as an adult. I've had this palette for so long. Long enough to when I first got it, I would put all the shimmers everywhere instead of just on my lid. Child, I would do a whole eye look with shimmers thinking I was cute, okay? So I've had this for a long time. But anyways, I'm using that lime green shade. The shades don't have any names, but yeah, you guys see. And I'm just kind of trying to blend that in with that dark green just so it'll be like more smooth and no harsh lines. Ain't that what they say? No harsh lines? Yeah. That's what I'm doing. So now I'm going to be going into that yellow shade. And at this point, y'all, I am straight freestyling, okay? I'm just adding stuff. I'm just throwing some stuff in there. I don't know what at the time, I didn't know what I was going for. But you know what? It came out all right, okay? It came out all right. And I am super, super, duper, duper proud of myself, okay? Very much so. I'm proud of myself. And especially for doing this bold look. Like, y'all got to give your girl credit. She don't usually do bold looks, but yeah. She came through with this one, okay? I came through with this one. Okay, I've already applied my eyeliner off camera. As you guys know, I like to use the NYX eyeliner. That is my eyeliner, child. I love the eyeliner. So yeah, I applied that off camera. And now I'm just going into my Nars. I don't know what kind of Nars this is, but it's Nars. I'm going into my Nars, and I really like this foundation. It's good for dry skin. I do want to say that. It is very good for dry skin, and as you guys know, I have dry skin, and right now it is winter time, so I have super duper dry skin, like the worst, okay? The worst. So yeah, I'm just going to be applying that, and I used a brush. I think it came in my BoxyCharm. It came with a set, one of my Luxe brushes to apply it. And now I'm just trying to clean up both the wing and the eyeshadow, the excess eyeshadow, just to give it a more of a sharp look. And I'm actually using my foundation to do this. Normally I would use my concealer. I don't know why I use my foundation, but anyway, it got the job done. As you guys can see, it looks more precise. So if you want your eye look to look a little bit more sharp, do that. Do it with your concealer, because that's what I normally would do it with, or you can do it with your foundation. As you guys see, it came out decent. All right, y'all, now I'm just applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's about out, y'all. Like, I was struggling, I really was. And I'm just blending that in like so. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, 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 and blend some more off camera, okay? Blend even more. So I'm going to be setting that with my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Blondie. I really love this setting powder, y'all. I'm not really somebody that's a fan of setting powders because I have dry skin, but this setting powder is bomb, okay? Bomb.com, love it. Anyways, now I'm going to my black Opal, and I'm going to be using this to contour with. I have no idea what shade it is. I just grabbed the shade, which probably isn't something that you should do, but that's what I did. I'm just being honest, okay? That's what I'm doing. But yeah, now I'm blending that in. Okay, now I'm just applying my Huda Beauty down here, because the beauty gurus do it. And apparently a lot of you guys do it too, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. And now I am going in with my bronzer, and it is my NYX bronzer. I have no idea what shade it is. It's just another one of those things that I kind of just grab. Like, yeah, you shouldn't do that. Don't follow my tips, y'all, okay? This is all me and fun, getting ready to go on a date with my husband, y'all. Don't take no tips from she, because she is not a beauty guru, okay? Just watch me, enjoy me, and pretend like I know what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm just dusting off that powder. And I'm going into my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and just to set the rest of my face. And now I'm going to be spraying all of that powdery-ishness off my face, y'all. And I was using my Travel Size MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm going to get the big bottle now because I have decided that I like it. That's what I always do with the setting sprays. I'll get the travel size first. But anyways, went to my bronzer, more bronzer, and I applied it off camera because I don't need y'all judging me, okay? I love bronzer. I am a bronze goddess, okay? I am going into one of the shades out of that the BH Cosmetics, and I just applied it to my brow bone. And now I'm going to be using this NYX Glitter Liner just to, I don't know, I'm just like I'm saying, I'm freestyling, y'all. I was like, that might be cute, you know, that might give it a little, you know, a little pop, and it did. I really liked it. I liked it. It gave me whatever I was looking for at that moment. And my big eye is popping, and my little eye looks like it's not popping. Okay, I gotta learn how to make them look even to give the illusion that I have two big eyes. Okay, I gotta do that. Anyways, I'm going in with some eyeliner and just applied that to my lash line, and now I'm going in with my Morphe setting spray, and I am setting my face. Now I'm going to be going into my Laura Geller blush, baked blush. I love this blush, y'all. This is my favorite blush, and I applied it to my cheeks, as you guys can see. And now I'm going to be going into the Cappuccino color. That's one of my favorite brown colors to use. I'm just going to be applying it to my bottom lash line with my pencil brush. And then I'm going to be going back into the emerald green color out of the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm also going to apply that to my bottom lash line, like so. And now I'm going to be going back in with that yellowish gold color, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner part of my bottom lash line and kind of connecting it to the one that I put on my top lid. Okay, now I'm going to be going with my mascara, and this is just like a primer that's attached to it. This mascara is by the Lorac, and then I went in with the other side with the actual mascara. So now I'm going to be using my Cover FX drops to highlight. I love this stuff, y'all, but it's a bit extra. It's a bit extra, but I like it. And to be even more extra, I'm going to be going in with another highlighter, okay? This one is out of that palette that I use with the bronzer. It also has blush and a highlighter, so yeah, I'm just applying that now. Okay, now that that's applied, I'm going to be going in with you guys and mine favorite new lipstick, and this is by Maybelline in the shade Serpentine. I did apply some bottom lashes that I applied off camera, and my top lashes. My top lashes are these Vegas lashes. I'm not sure of the style, but they are from the Vegas brand, and the bottom lashes are by Ardell. Okay, now I'm going to be applying my wig, and I did get my hat, y'all. I was super excited about getting my hat, so this is why I chose to wear this wig, because I wanted to wear my hat. So this is the Sensational Dar wig. I have just done a review on it, and I complained about not having a hat and blase, and how this is a hat wig, blue, and y'all, it's a hat wig, okay? It is such a cute hat wig, and honestly, when I was styling it this time, even without the hat, I was like, ooh, it's a look. And y'all, I know my eyes look demonic. I know they do. It's the lights, like true enough, the eyes are a bit dramatic anyway, but the lighting make them look extra dramatic. Like, yeah, they look super scary right now, but they don't look that bad in person, okay? They are extra though. But anyways, I styled the wig, and then of course I'm gonna apply my bamboo hoops that I got from freaking Rainbow for $3. I love these things. They're hot, they're cute, and now I am applying my hat. This hat is from Boohoo, and I will try to remember to put a link down below so you guys can purchase you one. She was only $10, and she's a look, honey. She's a whole look. Like, I was feeling it. My husband was feeling it. I was cute. It was like, yes, Chrissy, you cute, you cute. Now, it was kind of not cooperating the way I wanted it to, and I later ended up folding it back, the brim of the hat. I just kind of folded it back, and it gave me the look that I wanted. And yeah, I am done. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you love bugs in the next video. Bye.